Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Muslihuddin Bezina Badwi. I am from DCS 4A. In this video, I will to show you about sound sensor. Okay, let's go. Basically, sound is a waveform of energy which is produced by the form of mechanical vibration. The type of sound determines its frequency. For example, a bass drum has a low frequency sound and a cymbal has a higher frequency sound. The sound sensor is a simple device which can detect the sound. The sound sensors are very simple to use. The sound sensor consists of microphone as a transducer, potentiometer to adjust the intensity, LM386 low power audio amplifier, LED and other passive components like resistors and capacitors. You can set a threshold value using a potentiometer so that when the amplitude of the sound exceeds the threshold value, the module will output low, otherwise high. Working principle of sound sensor, it works similar to our ears. Our ears have a diaphragm which converts the detected the vibration and converts it in the signal. Similarly, the sound sensors convert the vibration into audio signal, voltage and current proportional with the help of a microphone. This microphone has an inbuilt diaphragm made up of magnets which are called by metal wire. Whenever sound waves hits the diaphragm, magnet vibrate and at the same time coil induces the current. Applications of sound sensor: security system for office or home, robotics, smartphone, ambient sound recognition, audio amplifier, and sound level recognition. Okay, that's all from me in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.